Good evening, everybody.
Faire un vrai concert de rock parce qu'on a envie de faire bouger les gens et on a envie de, voilà, il y a de la guitare et c'est saturé et ça sera, voilà, il y aura quelques petites pauses un peu plus tranquilles. Taking a hit on the inside, wanna do the same old you with a body and a mind to make you right. Got your shit all together.
Cosette, ouais, parce que je suis celle qui me fait exploiter un peu. Non, ouais, je fais la brigade verte et je nettoie les déchets le lendemain du concert avec mes 2 collègues là-bas.
I can't know everything by heart because he doesn't do it by heart. He changes up. So you have to follow his eyes and his hands sometimes. He changes his mind. And you have to watch him. You know, and plus, because I have all the cameras, I'm also watching everybody else in the band to see if they find out first what we're going to do next.
Potential, anything inspires me, but definitely musicians that are playing beautifully are an inspiration always.
I was 15 years old, and I remember clearly. I did a competition here, and then that year and the next year I came back, and yesterday when we arrived, I had all these memories of this place. So it was really touching. It was great.
Il y a encore une trentaine, quarantaine d'années, il y avait au moment du festival de jazz tout un tas de petits groupes qui jouaient dans les rues et Cabu adorait prendre la batterie et se mettre à jouer avec les artistes qui étaient là.
C'est 2 très beaux pianos puisque on a le Yamaha ici sous cette couverture de survie, le CFX et là on a le Fazioli piano italien.
this beautiful island.
Everybody had to pay and pay. There, New York City is the place where they said, hey, babe, take a look on the white side.
First started playing music, I could tell his music was way harder than other music. So it wasn't something that I said straight away, yeah, I'm going to do that, you know. It took a long time to be able to study the music and then say, okay, I know I have a way to do this.
Was it difficult to have a fellow like that?
It was cool. You know, like, sometimes people think, oh, it must have been a challenge to like measure up to this thing, and I didn't ever look at it that way. I just had a lot of respect for what he did. And, you know, I did my own thing, but when it came time to playing his music, the goal was to be able to play it commensurate with how he played it, so you have an apples to apples comparison, you know. We don't try to change it, we try to play it as he played it.
À l'époque, Didier Lockwood était marié avec ma mère, c'était mon beau-père, et moi je faisais surtout du violon, un tout petit peu de piano, mais pas du tout autant. Et Didier Lockwood donc m'avait pas mal pris sous son aile pour m'enseigner le jazz au violon. Et un été, il m'a dit, bon, ben maintenant j'aimerais bien que tu montes sur scène et que tu aies une première expérience d'une belle scène, d'un beau festival, etc. Donc c'était en 98, moi j'avais 9 ans. Il m'avait dit, je vais t'emmener à Juan-les-Pins avec moi. Et à la fin du concert, tu viendras jouer 2-3 morceaux avec le groupe, avec Martial Solal, il y avait Benoît Souris, André Charlier, etc.
France is it's been maybe it's the new home for jazz, huh? French people have learned this music. They understand the philosophy of the music. the fraternity, the brotherhood.
Never know much of loving, never know much of care. When a daddy tried to kill me, you say, Daddy, don't you beg me either.
C'est comme une grosse marmite, sauf qu'on peut faire 200 couverts là-dedans. Je me mets une serviette humidifiée parce que on va atteindre devant presque 300 degrés. Alors finalement, tout le monde en fait tout un plat, le tagine, mais c'est ni plus ni moins qu'une dope.
To know that this was always only just a little game to you. All the time I thought you gave your heart, I thought that I would do the same for you. Okay?
Thank you so much.
No worries.
The wonderful thing about music is that, and you're 50 years old, 60 years old, you're still learning, you know? I'm hanging out with Herbie Hancock and Wayne Shorter, and these guys are like, look what I just found. Look what I just discovered. That's incredible, you know? It's a wonderful blessing to know that you can grow for your whole life, and I think that's the wonderful thing about music. I'm like a kid, you know what I mean? I'm like, man, did you hear that? And you know who else was like that? Miles Davis. He was like that. When we would listen to music, he'd go, did you hear that? What is that? You know? And I said, oh, that's a drum machine. You know, it was like the 80s and the drum machines were new. What does that sound? Okay, write me something with that sound in it, you know? So curiosity is really, really important.
Ça c'est le quatrième piston qui permet de jouer ce qu'on appelle les quarts de ton. Donc en fait, mon père a inventé ça dans les années 60. Donc, la raison technique, c'est que ça permet de jouer les quarts de ton. Donc je pourrais m'arrêter là et vous dire ça permet de jouer ce qu'on appelle les maqams arabes, c'est-à-dire les gammes arabes. Voilà. Maintenant, si je vais plus loin dans ma réflexion, en réalité, c'est le seul instrument qui me permet en fait d'unir à la fois ma culture française, européenne, occidentale et ma culture arabe, moyen-orientale. Donc c'est un instrument métis. C'est un instrument métis. Voilà. Et comme je suis en soi métis, ça me correspond bien.